What is the cash ratio? The cash ratio is a measurement of a company's liquidity, specifically the ratio of a company's total cash and cash equivalents to its current liabilities. The metric calculates a company's ability to repay its short-term debt with cash or near-cash resources, such as easily marketable securities. This information is useful to creditors when they decide how much money, if any, they would be willing to loan a company. The cash ratio is almost like an indicator of a firm's value under the worst-case scenario, say, where the company is about to go out of business. It tells creditors and analysts the value of current assets that could quickly be turned into cash, and what percentage of the company's current liabilities these cash and near-cash assets could cover. Compared to other liquidity ratios, the cash ratio is generally a more conservative look at a company's ability to cover its debts and obligations, because it sticks strictly to cash or cash equivalent holdings, leaving other assets, including accounts receivable, out of the equation. The formula for a company's cash ratio is cash and cash equivalent divided by current liabilities. As with other liquidity measurements, such as the current ratio and the quick ratio, the formula for the cash ratio uses current liabilities for the denominator. Current liabilities include any obligation due in 1 year or less, such as short-term debt, accrued liabilities, and accounts payable. The key difference lies with the numerator. The numerator of the cash ratio restricts the asset portion of the equation to only the most liquid of assets, such as cash on hand, demand deposits, and cash equivalents, sometimes referred to as marketable securities, like money market accounts funds, savings accounts, and T-bills. Accounts receivable, inventory, prepaid assets, and certain investments are not included in the cash ratio, as they are with other liquidity measurements. The rationale is that these items may require time and effort to find a buyer in the market. In addition, the amount of money received from the sale of any of these assets may be indeterminable. Thanks.